Hello, this is an e-commerce project based on auction system developed with Django. First of all, about models, I created here category, listing, command, watchlist, and bid. Create listing. Give a name, choose a category, type in a stock bid, give a description and an image URL. Now we have our listing here. Active listing. On the default route of our web application, we can view all active listings. For each one, we can see title, a description, current price, and a photo. Listing page. Clicking on a listing takes users to a page specific to that listing, where users can view all details, including starting price. We'll take another listing, this one, for example. A signed-in user like Fu, in this example, can add item to the watch list by clicking on this link, add to watch list. Now the item is in the watch list, and now he can remove it from the watch list. He can also make a bid on the item. The bid must be at least as large as the starting bid. If there's no bid yet, given 55.49, for example, gives us an error. The minimum is the starting bid, 55.50. Place bid, and now we have a bid from a user. After that, the next bidder can only give a greater bid than the current bid, which means 55.50 is not allowed anymore. If we give 55.60, it will be accepted. A signed-in user can add comments on a listing page. And all users can post comments on that listing. Watchlist. A user who is signed in is able to visit a watchlist page, which displays all of the listings that he has added to his watchlist. Clicking on any of these listings takes the user to that listing page. Categories. Users can visit a page that displays a list of all listing categories. Clicking on any of these categories takes the user to a page that displays all of the active listings in that category. Electronics, fashion, jewelry. Via the Django admin interface, a site administrator can view, add, edit, and delete any listings, comments, and bids made on the site. Bids. We can add a bid for this listing. A user is Fu. A bid price 60. Bid date, time, and save. This is adding a bid. Commands, for example, we can change a command, save, or delete this one, and so on. Thank you.